Hello, this is Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Nissan Qashqai 2 here on a 2012-2013 plate. I'm going to show you how to reset the service light. It is quite a simple procedure on this particular model, and if you've done the service and you're wondering how to reset it, I'll show you how it's done. What you've got to do first is switch the ignition on. So this has got the key in there. As you can see on the inside right there, it says service due. So all I now do is press this button once again, and then turn the button to my right. So you can see I've got the menu now, and if I scroll to the right again, I've got the maintenance. I scroll down to service, and then I scroll down to reset. So if I do this and then press back, press exit, now switch the ignition off, switch the ignition on. Wait for a second. That's it. That's all done on this model. If there is anything else you need to know, we do have a Nissan playlist. Do check it out. We've got other service reset playlists as well you can check out on other vehicles, as well as bulbs and everything else as well. And if there is anything you particularly want to know about a Nissan, drop us a comment below and we'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.